Hey learning buddies! Today we're going to have a super fun farm animal quiz time. You'll get to guess animal sounds, match them with their homes, and learn some fun facts. Are you ready? Let's get started. Which animal gives us milk? Cow, sheep, horse, or duck? You've got 5 seconds to answer. And the answer is cow. Cow gives us milk. I have a curly tail and I say oink. What am I? A sheep? A chick? A pig? Or a goat? Let's see if you can answer this one. And the answer is pig. Pig has a curly tail and says oink. What color is a typical sheep? Green, pink, white, or blue? What do you think? And the answer is white. A typical sheep is white in color. Which animal lays eggs? Cow, chicken, pig, or goat? Come on, you got this. And the right answer is chicken. Chickens lay eggs. I have black and white spots and I say moo. What am I? A pig? A cow? A duck? Or a horse? I wonder what it is. And the answer is cow. Cow has black and white spots and says moo. What color is a typical pig? Green, red, pink, or gray? And the right answer is pink. A typical pig is pink in color. Where does the chicken live? In a coop? A barn? A pen? Or a field? What do you think? Where does the chicken live? And the answer is coop. Chicken lives in a coop. I'm very good at herding sheep and I bark. What am I? A goat? A dog? A cat? Or a cow? And it is a dog. A farm dog is good at herding sheep and it barks. Which animal likes to chase mice? A goose, horse, cat, or a duck? You think you know the answer to this one? And it looks like the answer is the cat. Cats love chasing mice. I wake up the farm with my cock-a-doodle-doo. What am I? A duck? A cow? A rooster? Or a goose? And the answer is rooster. Rooster wakes up the farm with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Which animal is known for being strong and carrying heavy loads? A goat? pig, donkey, or a cat? And the answer is donkey. Donkey can carry heavy loads because it's very strong. I am small, have long ears, and I like to hop. What am I? A dog? A rabbit? A goose? Or a sheep? Who can answer this? And the answer is rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and they love to hop. What sound does a duck make? Moo, ba, neigh, or quack? I know the answer to this. Do you? And the answer is quack. The duck makes the sound quack, quack. I have horns and a beard. What am I? A cow? Goat? Pig? Or a dog? An animal with a beard? And the answer is the goat. A goat has horns and a beard. What kind of sound does a buffalo make? Roar? Grunt? Oink? Or quack? And the answer is grunt. A buffalo makes the sound grunt, grunt. I am known for my loud honking and a long neck. What am I? A duck? Pig? Dog? Or goose? And the answer is a goose. A goose makes the honking sound and has a long neck. Well done, everybody! It looks like you know a lot about farm animals, and that is amazing! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Learning Buddies channel. And press the bell icon to get notified about new educational videos. See you next time!